Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best PC cases.
Starting at number 5.
Phanteks, PHES217E. When you first look at the Phanteks Evolve Shift 2, it looks more like a soundbar than one of the best PC cases, but this helps it vanish into any living area or studio setup. It's flexible to the point that it looks natural placed under a TV as it does on a desk, next to one of the best gaming monitors or best TVs. It may only be compatible with a mini ITX motherboard, but the Phanteks Evolve Shift 2 offers tons of space for components and liquid cooling loops. If this case is a little small for your preference, you can get the larger Phanteks Evolve X for more room on the inside for a bigger GPU and other components.
Coming at number 4.
Cooler Master Qube. If your idea of building your own custom PC involves doing it yourself as much as possible, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flat Pack may be one of the most satisfying PC cases there is. This flat pack PC case puts you in mind of a certain Scandinavian furniture emporium, although luckily the instructions here are much more helpful. Assembling the Cooler Master Qube 500 is a relatively straightforward and enjoyable process, thanks to the detailed instructions provided by Cooler Master's YouTube channel, which are clear and easy to follow. The completed product offers excellent ventilation and compact storage for all the essentials. Integrated carry handles on the top mean that repositioning the case is nice and easy, and you won't struggle to find a handhold when lugging it around. On the downside, this case is on the smaller side, so you'll want to check that its dimensions can accommodate all the chosen innards for your build. In addition, the compact design restricts front fan placement, which could be an issue, depending on the type of PC you're looking to put together. That said, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flat Pack still manages to feel like a breath of fresh air. It's the perfect choice for DIY enthusiasts, or first-time builders eager to learn the ropes. It has a unique and colorful design options, a budget-friendly price tag, and the overall package makes it one of the best PC cases you can buy.
At number 3.
Asus Prime AP201. The Asus Prime AP201 is one of our favorite cases for micro ATX builds thanks to its tool-free access, 360-degree airflow, and surprisingly large capacity. It also helps aid in cable management thanks to the 32mm gap on the motherboard tray to help keep cables tucked away. It can support both micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, up to a 180mm power supply, and up to a 338mm long graphics card, so it can even hold an RTX 4090 Founders Edition, though definitely look into a GPU bracket, since one isn't included with this case. You can also fit in a 360mm AIO cooler, though only just barely. Getting everything situated in the case is going to be a challenge given its size. No small tower case will be easy to configure with modern hardware, but the AP201 manages to make the process as relatively painless as possible thanks to a number of clever design choices, like mounting the PSU at the front of the case with an extension cable running to the back.
Number 2 of my list.
Fractal Design Meshify. It is extremely rare to see any PC case that even vaguely resembles the Fractal Design Meshify C. Given that the front of the case is entirely made of a mesh material sectioned off into an array of polygonal shapes, the Meshify C has a unique style without compromising on function. With 2 fans pre-installed, cooling is, forgive us, a breeze, even if the Meshify C is held back by a number of obstacles, like the difficulty in removing the PSU dust filter and the front USB 3.0 cable being frustratingly short, making it difficult to plug into your motherboard.
And number 1.
Hyte Y70 Touch. PC cases don't come much more cutting edge than this one. The Hyte Y70 Touch has a cutaway design on one of its front corners that features a 4K interactive touchscreen, on which you can display system information, live backgrounds, and quick access widgets to launch programs. Running on Hyte's Nexus software, the touchscreen acts as a second Windows display for your PC, meaning it provides practical functionality, rather than just a gimmicky visual aesthetic. And once the software is up and running, Configuring this gorgeous display is an intuitive affair that rewards you with time-saving substance to add to that style. This premium case comes with a spacious interior as well, boasting room for up to 10 case fans and 3 radiators. Its dual-chamber design conveniently allows for plenty of air circulation too, giving you a helping hand when it comes to keeping everything cool. Plus, the glass panels on E.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.